Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another week of the Upnlive show. I'm your girl, the little brown ass, Dragon All-Star and Wheels of Steels, and you don't know your boy DJ Rick.
We're there.
Opposite me.
Of course.
I feel like me not say something a while ago. Thank you anywhere in the world that you are, bro. Big up yourself. We are your Upnlive show team. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we're sponsored by Shush Prince. And tonight we have a special show for you. We have a queen that will be, talking to us later on. Yeah. Who's patiently waiting? Your microphone. Sorry, your microphone, bro.
You sound like
you're four. Alright, we work with it. We work with it. We work with it.
I'm gonna sit over this and talk. Cause now I go work with them when I saw it at work.
Forward around this
one spot.
Make all our reasoning. Yes.
People, big up the people that are on Instagram right
and
now.
on Facebook as well.
Yes, big up yourself. Good evening to you.
Thank you for joining us tonight.
Of course. Big up on yourself.
Tell us where you're from.
Yeah,
drop some flags and some parishes and some what were they? Some boroughs and some places. Where are you? Where are you watching?
Where you there watch from?
You're so country.
You know what? Me forget. We not use.
Yes.
Yeah, we not use the dragon. I sit over this again.
You don't need to shout no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't have to shout.
Don't gas to shout.
Yo, no mix up, People, I go on now. Before we start the reasoning,
yes.
Please, me I beg on the tag, share the live.
Yes.
Tag some people, tag a bag of people, cause we have a bag of things that are this evening. You see it? Clear cut me go that week. That means the alcohol strong.
Half pint, they said. It's
right.
Half pint.
Big up Star Point Entertainment.
What?
London
Where
himself.
Half a pint. Watch it in half pint in my cup.
Me just realized the artist. That's why.
But half pint. In a half pint, not your cup.
Me can't work with
drink
you.
No boy, that's something there. Yeah, the dirty boy when you in a bar say bartender say me a special. So the bartender do like a brips and pour a shot of rum. Yeah, bartender you know. You want bump on it. You the man go suck your mouth big pussy girl. We are deal bump power. Me shoot you.
No, we're not taking too far though.
Jamaicans are the absolute best.
I'm afraid for that.
I would have let him check in.
And ask for
them.
That
squad unit, brother, you know, thing where all of Berlin loud.
Big up
come on the side of town soon,
Alright, cool. What's good now? Let's discuss some things.
Are we starting in Jamaica?
Let's start at Jamaica first, yeah? First topic and
Dragon, are you thing?
I think Dragon, you want with the first topic?
No, you were the first topic.
The first topic, let's talk about the policeman who beat up the youth, arrest the youth.
That's
what Tom put the man teeth.
Tom put the man teeth. But the problem I had with that video is I didn't see
the start
of the video.
You saw the starting of it?
No, I never see starting. Me yet, but alright. As far as how it look,
or
how it sound, it look like the police and go right through. Because you want know. Me say you see the woman, the one who look like a butch. The police woman who look like a man.
Yeah.
me say him give the man a box, you know, you see me?
The woman gave the guy a box.
Yeah, so the man retaliate, you get me?
Mm-hmm.
And in a little entanglement there, the police boy there, so boom sang give him a straight right in the mouth. You know, when I teeth flick out like a buckle off a shelf.
But alright.
Stuff.
You see with all of this, what it's been, it's all hearsay. Because what about I think when they hear them said Jamaicans start wear camera up and them police start wear camera. They don't wear
body
camera
cams.
Body cams.
At one point, they must have teeth them off. Them not start wear it. I'm
Yes,
almost sure. Or they wanted to implement it.
Yeah,
I
because
think it reached to that stage that they wanted to implement.
Then they buy some and then say they mash up.
And they say, but things are incident like this.
That would be the perfect
thing. And
case.
And this gentleman, sad to say, his day in court will never come because the police, the courts, or the system is not going to believe him because of hearsay and people saying, and you know, I always know the system favor the law.
But then the court is not supposed to use hearsay.
Before
they're
going
supposed to
further,
use facts.
you know,
Hold on.
I could big up the upon him birthday and happy earth strong in the day.
Yeah, we're going to big up Dio, but we're talking about
Alright, I go reason about that.
Yeah.
May I jump the gun?
Yes, you're jumping the
Too
gun.
far. Calm down, you.
Yeah,
so...
I'm drinking a little more alcohol.
I think I'm Andy too strong. Too much alcohol in a cup there.
Dog, when that team start drink much alcohol later, you just easy no man.
Beating bad. Anyway, Rasta, what's your take on it?
Me can't give a take based on hearsay. But the mere fact say him get box till him teeth leak out, me not depend that. It matters not what a person do.
Yeah.
Nobody's not supposed to box nobody.
Yo, I jump in a more thing going. But anyway, moving right along, I don't know if you know see what going on in Jamaica. Say, it's like how over here open up back with the party them.
Yeah.
So the man just keep party and a business, you see me? See a little video with that police running around dance. I'm answer God. Boy, you have to big up the people them, because them pack down his sound and really control and everything. Quick and fast. Wire everything pack up.
All right.
Police, I spot alone police.
Yeah, because I see the video as well.
Yeah.
But this is the thing now. This is where
That's
the
not helping the
conversation.
situation.
Yes, because far too often people bash the system and bash the police them and say the police them are break up things and the government is holding back the country.
Yeah.
Incidents like these that happen, we are not blaming who are to be blamed. Because everybody can say who is at fault. Yes, but one thing I'm going to be highlighted is the swiftness of how they move.
All right. We know the people are unruly and thing,
Yeah.
but remember, you know, party keep a hotel from Friday to Friday.
Yeah, that's in the hotels.
Yeah.
No.
We can't control that.
What do you mean by you can't
I
control
said
it?
we as a people.
Why you have one laugh in a hotel? If you have your money, you can pay and go down a hotel and go buy off all you want. And
Yes.
a Rick's Cafe and the Margaritaville, them go buy
We're
off
not,
all you
we
want.
are
See
not
it?
with it either, you know, but it
So
is what
why
it
a man
is.
can't do him thing? So
No,
it's
dog, no.
system set up for the rich people. Then.
We know that already. We've
So,
established that
Hold
fact
on,
already.
hold on. So as a Jamaican, we have to do roll over and dead and just say, all right, rich people, when you take the winnings. And I say,
No,
you have to have
but
some form of resistance to push back and say, yo, we now have it.
But neither
If
is
not, we go
the
Black Road and protest and cut down beer through.
Exactly.
But-
beer things.
but neither is the fact that they're having these illegal parties. It's not right neither.
You're not right, neither. So
None, two
never make
wrongs
right.
don't make a right.
Two-
Two
all right.
wrongs
Two wrongs
don't.
don't make a right. Understandable.
So are we going
Yeah.
to accept that we as a people needs to do more to help the situation rather
Of course
than
we need to
blaming
do it.
everything
I mean,
on
on
the
the
government?
government, of
No,
course.
we can't blame
We're
everything
to
on the
be
government.
equally
but
blamed.
I'm saying, if you're gonna make the hotels and certain business carry out their gathering,
Yeah.
I think it's just fair enough for the 9 to 5ers, because if you're checking the entertainment space and who contribute more in tax revenue, is a little man we keep them little dance, we got parish council, we them little permit,
Get
and
them permit
by them
or
get them
whatever.
permit, by 12 o'clock police are come. And by you get this as police a set of money, and by 1:30 a different set come up and them a tell us, no man, them the man they left for it, we don't know who you give money.
So all right.
So
And that has
me
been
think
happening even
ghetto
before
people
COVID.
should allow a little leeway, because you have to understand, said this enough for them we call the lifeline.
And this is
Because
stress
enough-
relief.
Enough of them do not have nothing else to bring an income, because obviously most man in Jamaica we don't really get a formal education. They're from high school. We left high school, I hit that.
Yeah.
So we are not trained such in a way we can go in the competitive market down there, even though it's small or us. We can't go in there go get a job.
But how do we lobby against this? Because there's ways of being effective and coming and bringing it to. Because remember, now, you can't just get up and say, all right, hotel I keep it, so me liable to keep my one too. You need to find a way where you
middle
can
ground.
fight the law legally and make a case to say, all right, listen, they're having it over there. Why cannot we have it? How do we go about doing this? This is the problem.
all right.
This is this is where
The issue is
The
at
issue
hand.
is-
Oh, me see the last about Jamaica at the moment is like the last set in favor of the hotel.
it is.
And anything else out of that is illegal. So you cannot fight against something if them don't set it that way. Say if you do a thing on street, it's illegal. Because look at it this, Rick. You as a man where you're not going in a way call it a register venue to keep your party, but you get your relevant permit and relevant paperwork. You still get a feel and you get a permit that they say to keep, but yet still police lock off your dance even though you acquire a permit. See, so that means that all the money we pay to JCAP and Ray keep a dance, that's just a waste.
Okay, so-
Because remember, police still lock off people dance if them have a permit. Yes, I know, you know.
All right.
Not
That's true.
passing the time.
Just generally
Just lock off the dance.
Go in and do
Just
it,
just
yeah.
by false information, because then can lock it off any reason. Say people complain. So my time, me some dance keeping on some migla nowhere.
Yeah.
And they say is nice complaint, nice abatement act, blah blah blah. Which we know that is garbage. But an idea, Rick, you cannot challenge it in court because
You
what?
can.
Hold on now. You have to have a whole lot of money for challenge that in court, because first thing you can't call the police and say show me the evidence that this person called. Because Jamaica don't have the system where record and log certain things. Say this person call about nice. And we know what stupidness, you know, them a talk about,
We
because
know,
a man
but-
I do a little hustling. So this is the only way we know at the moment as poor people to fight back is just kind of give a little unruly side, because you can't just give in to everything.
But I think there's enough players now in the game who
Yeah.
are educated enough
Yeah.
Because this needs to start from the law. Because the law is where the grassroots of everything.
Yeah.
So if the laws are reformed, because I think that there's enough players right now in the dancehall music who can lobby this for reform the law, change things, and when you implement a set of rules. Because in the UK here, if I am having a party and I decided to listen, I'll keep my birthday. My birthday come this December, I said December,
yeah. June the 30th.
June, sir, you're born June.
June the 30th, my birthday.
Right.
And I decided I'm going to keep my birthday party. And I went to the official channels. I go and I register to over here.
Right.
And I pay for my venue and insure my party.
Yeah.
At this precise moment, if once I do all of that and the UK government decided to turn up at my party door and decided to say they get news that Ray. Did you know that UK law protect me? They have to pay me back for my party over here.
That's fine, but the system is quite different than in Jamaica.
But that's what I'm saying.
It's not
if
the
the
same.
laws are reformed to match what is over here in Jamaica, it doesn't matter what a government, police want to say. Once the law go in a court, the law is always going to be to protect
but
you.
hold on, let me show you Jamaica work now. If you understand, as a little man, I grew up in Jamaica, you say once you start make money, you start getting a certain lane, them groom you for low out where you forward from. So look on certain man where forward from the ghetto. See when them get in that position there where they can make some change, because them have rich friend and rich that them groom them in a sense say them can't do certain thing, because as soon as you start talk about certain thing, you start get a resistance from your peers, your rich friend them. Seeing
you're always gonna get a pushback.
That gonna cause problem, because you as a man, you know, say you're in certain category. If you start cause problem in another league there, you eventually get kicked out and get broke again. A whole person is not willing to lose that, to get broke again, because you get me, you're in a little lane there already.
Because you want to stay in your comfort.
Alright, so that's how Jamaican go.
It is, but then again, Chronic Song explained this. Do it for the love and not for the likes.
But a whole people start do it for the love and the like. Look even upon Chronic himself. Remember when him just start out with this say like authentic, we call it Rasta man, we stay true to Rasta thing. But
so
no,
say Chronic switch?
No. All you can see is a hype bossy Chronics. That's how most people look at Chronics or Chronics portray him life.
Well,
as a hype Rasta, cause even like Dubplate price and thing like that. If you love reggae music and you're staying true to the culture, right? If you, I think 3 years after Chronics out, it's like him want $1,000 for a Dubplate, which I think him jump the gun too quick, and you start see a whole heap of artists start follow that trend.
Well,
so is they staying true to their roots where all them grew up in a reggae music and dancehall? No,
it's true. But I don't want to take you off the topic and the topic and I think right now there's one person I think could lobby for this, and I think if he really love the culture, I think Ramesh can do it.
Yeah, but don't you see Ramesh is in a place where he might make fee money and he might corporate Jamaica good.
Exactly.
And that's how he make fee money. So you see, anytime him start lobby for the street, corporate Jamaica do like a zoops.
Yeah, but
I make a left turn and do like a zoops.
But to be honest,
pick up somebody else.
No, but to be honest, the way music is right now,
no
one gives a fuck about corporate.
Rick, hold on. All right. Let me just let you understand certain thing in Jamaica. Otherwise, from the little stage show them we are
Jamaica,
keep. In Jamaica, all right.
Exactly.
Otherwise, from the little stage show them we are keep and certain little thing.
Yeah.
If corporate Jamaica now endorse you, endorse you as a brand or a brand ambassador or certain thing.
Yeah.
Your opportunity is very limited, because look at it this way, Rick. Let me say this to you. Shensia is talented, but yes, corporate Jamaica was working with her from day dot. That's why she grew so quickly in the ranks of dancehall, right?
That is true.
Ding Dong, for instance, as well. When corporate Jamaica decide to work with them, perfect person. Let me give you this person, and he's not one of the talented artists out of Jamaica. Kemar Icon.
Yeah.
When corporate Jamaica decides to them work with them, and you see him and Shaggy them, and you see Matalan boy them, and you see them everywhere.
He got the point.
When them work with you, you see, Kemar Icon blow up.
Rise up.
Is Kemar Icon better than Skillibeng? Is Kemar Icon better than Intense? Is Kemar Icon better than Iwater? Is Kemar Icon is a better artist than TJ?
No,
but in Jamaica, the work and the material of work he does him have a, we call it a par-to-par
Yeah.
resume.
Yeah, because him have endorsement from culture. But this is the thing. You can make it. Fire is not my phone.
It's not anybody's phone. We don't know what is happening.
Fire my phone
We don't know what is happening.
You know,
Don't worry, but we're going to push you.
None of our
phone now ring. We're not so
Alright.
busy right now.
So we're going to agree and disagree upon that one there. And we everybody have a valid point. Because
Yes.
Dragon point
Yeah.
valid with.
They want to talk about Dubplate a little bit because Dubplate price.
or
the price.
popcorn.
No, hold on. We'll talk about popcorn
Okay.
later on.
Last two topics,
We'll
Dubplate and
talk about the
popcorn.
price of Dubplate now because I feel like say a lot of the artists them now they're losing their moral when them a kill selector, especially Soundman with Dubplate price because you wanna remember in the first part of Carina Hungry nearly kill enough of them, you know.
Exactly.
I Soundman them do like the boops and straighten
give
up
them a
everything, you know.
link.
And I link a man and say, alright, me have a look at 250 and I'm money there. And no, everybody want 350 at least I can get a Dubplate for me attack.
Exactly.
One
And-
low
and-
caliber artist, 400 and 500 pound. Brother, think about it. Your song not really work it, you know. Work that money, you know, because you know, if you buy that song, seen as a especially as a clash sound, for say 400 or 500 pounds, right? How many clash you can play that song in? How many clash you gonna make 400 or 500 pounds to play that song in? So when a sound man go out there and cut some dub, he's just doing it for the love of the music.
Exactly.
The supporting the artist. Cause remember, you know, him not have to do that, you know. If him do like and just play a regular juggling sound like a man,
It's just effective.
it just effective. You see him, you get money pull up and blah blah blah. But a sound, most sound man in general, most sound system not playing in the dance hall, especially clash sound. They're not playing in the regular parties. They are reserved for clash. And when you realize it, all the clash thing before lockdown was on the decline.
And the
And just
lockdown
because of
kinda saved it.
lockdown save it,
Clash.
and you know because of that, a lot of sound man actually start spend more money, start investing a lot in Dubplate.
But some of them, not
yet still,
even. Go on, sorry, go on.
The artists them a kill them. And yes, you know, and when you look at this, look on the radar man them. Remember radar man and certain man I get 50 million song free, you know. Not saying the radar man not contribute to your career, but the sound man do it as well because remember, you know, in a dance hall or in any music you do, you have two sides to it. You have the nice corporate radio side and you have the street. Certain artists, if it's not for the street, wouldn't know them today. Some of them is just a product of the street.
True.
So more the artists them give respect where it's due to the sound man and the DJ them. If a man have a little money, you can't work with it, you know, because you know, we all our way playing music, we might not go in on the Apple, go buy it, but when we hear a song we like, we spend our money and buy the
I'll
song.
play.
Fire is saying that the artists are saying otherwise. Fire, if you can take 2 minutes and write a quick few
Let me
sentences,
give you-
make
alright.
we know.
As some artists, you know, because me I gotta be honest, it's just when some of them man them reach a certain level, them they start being using. All right, this boils down to artists just liking the business and just liking the DJ and just one DJ. They don't understand the business side.
Right.
So enough of them, most of the Jamaican artists, them what them do is then decide, all right, me a ton of artists, me get one ad song.
Right.
Yeah.
They're trying to live off the song from Dubplates.
Right.
They don't understand that if you market the song good enough, you can get shows overseas, you can get royalties off the song if you play it properly. But you're looking at the short-term goal. Oh, me have one song hot right now, I'm gonna need for 10 Dubplate.
Right.
I'm gonna need at least 5 bills a one.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's not sustainable. So I can clearly remember when Dexadap's just forward or when Dexadap just getting first release. Somebody man link me and say, yo Rick, you want a Dexadap? So I say, how much brother? Me I gotta be honest, I'm not telling a lie. Cause you know me not care zero. How much think about £75 we pay for a Dexadap's Dubplate
Right.
with intro and the whole song sing out.
Right.
It was about £75. Me can't remember. Do you hear about?
Right.
Recently, we decided to say, all right, we want the next Dexadap. Me not gonna expect it to go be
The same price because it has been up
Yeah,
while.
yeah,
and
it's,
Yeah.
it's great in
Right.
career. Yeah,
But you're gonna
definitely.
tell me say £450 for one song?
Yeah, like and enough for them to
Tell
be
me now if
honest.
that make
no,
any
that,
sense.
That don't make any sense.
I'm not
Like,
saying his song is
and
not valuable.
we can't devalue artists or volume work theme, but we just say we have to work with each other.
Okay, there needs to be a bar set to say, all right, what is
Like a benchmark.
a benchmark? Because I think, to me, honestly, I think for one song from an artist, if you make it thing look feasible and not look too cheap, £150 is good enough for one song. I don't care which artist you want. Maybe the legends them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the big top chefs them.
Because Bounty
Yeah.
Killer is in the class them. So even Bounty too.
Bounty, Beanie and Buju and
Bounty
certain
I next man too. Him having value and understand, but him too dear as well. You need to make some of the youth them can afford it because the ordinary person who's working an honest living 9 to 5 job in the UK, me can say feed. The average pay salary over here is 1,800 to £2,000 a month. All right, now let me make it
Even
more.
lower than that.
Even lower. All right, say
Say 1,500.
£1,500
yeah.
Yeah.
to £2,000 a month. So if you're gonna live in a
So you pay 800 for rent.
for rent,
And plus yearly could bill them
and you
pan.
look at bill them.
Phone and
So
whatever,
about
whatever.
£1,300 that done gone in a
Exactly,
bill.
£1,300 gone in a
So where you
bill.
live off?
And you're gonna take 5 days to play for one song. Come on, man.
And is the next thing too. Me not say artist is not valuable or thing, but I'm not afraid to call him name Baby Sham. Baby Sham nah go less than £1,000 for none of his song. Think about it now. Me as a DJ, with Baby Sham, would I spend $1,000 on? I don't think there's any Baby Sham.
Those days when
No, I don't think
That's
there's
how
any.
Baby
No,
Shams
I
I will
don't
come
think
to
there's.
later, whatever.
I don't think there's
I'm joking,
any
I'm
Baby
joking.
Sham that I know that if me have to get a song pan Dubplates, it would be that song and me have to get it.
For
So
£1,000.
that for $1,000, so me are like that's just taking the P. And you are one of them where I label about this and I say, yo, I love dance and reggae music. You don't love it because remember it, the sound part, that's a part of dancehall that's very intricate. When you come around to talking about dancehall, so if you price out the DJ them out of this, most man, we have them sound system and them look at this and that. Enough man they stop in a word here just because a lot down look online class make some of them start because a lot of them they give up on it.
They give up on
because
the
a whole heap of man spend thousands pan song and sound equipment and thing. Just to make a piece of money. But you know lucrative that way if you make it back cause think about it. As a DJ or as a sound man, how much money you can make at an event, at each event. You're making a Dubplate each event you go. So if them are charge the 400 or the 500 pound them,
Yeah.
Right.
it ain't happening. So
Right.
And there's the UK is one them.
Yeah, in relation to the UK.
The UK one. To be honest,
artists.
me not see nobody over here where really I hit over the belt. To be honest. 'Cause
Yeah, because we formed good relationships with
Yeah.
most of the
well,
artists. where
but
we've
as soon
never
as, soon as me hear about it, like anyone that asks them over here,
Yeah.
especially the one them would just come up through the ranks,
right.
Yeah.
I overcharge the people and me talk about it and me call them.
That's
Yeah.
fine, but
Because-
for us personally, we aren't having issues with
me
the
not have
UK
problem
artists.
with no UK artists. Because
to be honest.
sometimes I not even want to charge me. I say, yo, brother.
Well,
Send me your
it's
details,
supporting
I'll put
your
that thing on
craft.
your
business,
account.
yeah, it's all about business.
Definitely.
Exactly.
And nothing wrong for your artists who want send a man a song just to see him because
Exactly. It's
you know
it's helping
love
to
is
promote.
always here, you know.
Right.
Of course.
right.
The time I fly upon with this.
I know. Last topic. Business. Business signal. Popcorn.
Yeah.
Popcorn. Was he locked up or just arrested?
Charge.
He was arrested and charged.
I don't know about arrest part them charge him.
He was charged. What was he charged for?
Them say riding him bike without no insurance, bike nav
No
this,
proper
bike nav this, no
documentation.
proper you know.
What do you think about
And
that?
really popcorn I go on.
I-
He ain't not trouble, you know.
Him unruly.
He ain't not
It's all right. Him say because him post. I saw the post.
yeah,
say
miss, yeah.
he feel like him will leave.
He move
Sent-
unruly first from
From
St.
St.
Thomas.
I think what happened to him is his own fault.
What happened?
Because my ride without no insurance and no papers from the people in the road.
So what does that have to do with the festival?
Because he's upset because the
No,
police them
he's
stop
saying
him.
the police them target him. So
But you not have the license
hold
and
on,
insurance, brother.
hold on. So let me give me benefit of the doubt because
Mm.
with things like this, for the statement when put out, it look like it's more than one situation happen because targeting don't
Yeah.
mean say is a one thing. So let me give Popcorn a benefit of the doubt because we're not the same dancehall community.
Yeah.
And we know Jamaican police all them steer when them take set upon people and take set upon people.
Wickedly.
Obviously because of Popcorn, more them take on the road with the motorcycle them is a entourage.
And
of
I
them.
hold it for them, yeah.
Yeah, so not more than them feel like say yo, he's a menace to society and when them come on the road appear chaos and problem and cause,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so not
But
more than that.
Why not
and
charge
them check them.
Popcorn? Charge the one them where I ride and I get trouble.
But
Because
no,
it's not illegal to ride in
it's
a crew.
it's not
on the road.
illegal to ride in crew, but anytime they see a crew of a
Group
motorcade of motorcycle.
Yeah.
Anywhere, either here, America or Jamaica, it normally cause a little hazard on the road.
Yeah.
Because normally, you driving a car or something, you have to, they normally tell you if you like stand off a bicycle or motorcycle or whatever.
Yeah.
So you
the
know,
road code.
them are riding that road and them are go on them little thing, you know? Them are part of them are brave. Basically, so they're like a menace thing there that could have gone a couple times, you know, them could have stop him. And obviously, I don't know if it's Popcorn bike himself or, you know, him probably ride when I'm friend the bike. You know what old bike life go?
Right.
Yeah, and them stop him and say, yo, bike can't have a paper and license and blah, blah, blah. Which, in a Jamaica, about 3% I buy them license down there.
But because he's Popcorn,
Yeah.
that's what, and he's
Unreally bad.
he must be standing blame as well.
Yeah, him have to stand in blame because Popcorn, you as a money man, cause you have a piece of food, you
You
know.
could have get off course. You can't
So
get
you have to
yourself.
sort out your thing them.
Exactly. And
Don't try go around. Don't
try
try
go
go
around
around the
that thing.
thing
We-
because of who you
you
are and
are.
where you are in life. That don't make no sense. Laws are laws, and they're there for us to be for us to abide.
follow a rule.
Yeah.
I say one get
Yeah.
bun off.
Bun off.
That's what I say,
You don't want to get in a trouble.
Popcorn, choo.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now 2 minutes to the hour of 10 o'clock. We
Yep.
have a lot of people that are tuned in on our Facebook page. We want to give a big shout out to Naz Keys on our Facebook page, Oscar 10 star over on Facebook as well, Fire, Magnum Fridays, Stingray Barbers. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about Stingray Barbers one of them
Go down
weekend.
there, no, cause me
Yeah.
yeah. get a bad
Fresh
feeling.
cuts.
God no.
You don't know, ladies,
Yo,
if you
it's
want.
a-
Yeah.
Check out that fade, ladies.
Yeah.
Can't get us look something shave up and all the
That-
eyebrow and them something there.
That's
Of
sort of
course.
thing there, yeah. Loyal Squad, big up yourself. BG, Petty Lulu, DJ Max,
Big up yourself. Of
Mad
course.
One, big up yourself. Stomach Kid, big up yourself. Ituki, happy belated birthday to you, Ituki. Trust and hope that you had a very good day yesterday. Yeah, just big up to everybody that is tuned
Greetings across the world.
in. Greetings.
Who has a
greetings
birthday
across
today?
Dio.
Dio.
DJ, well, we don't know if today is his birthday, but he's having...
Today I'm birthday, so me here.
Okay. Earth Song blessings to you, Dio. If you get tired and bored of us, you can jump over to his page and enjoy his birthday live that is happening. I think it's start now after 9 though.
Yeah, birthday live starts over the people, you know.
So you know,
Cake and Fifi are cut and beer things are going over there. You know what I want.
earthing. So
Earth
we're
strong
gonna
blessings.
drop some music and we are going to be speaking with a queen. I don't know if she's from Ochi, but her name is Ochi Queen. We're gonna drop some music and
Yeah.
then we're going to bring in the lovely lady Ochi Queen shortly. So stick and stay. Remember, we're your Upnlive show. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We are sponsored by Shush Print. So for all your printing needs, pen, book, bag, shoes, door, anything you want printed, Shush Print is the place to go. So get in touch with them either on Facebook, Instagram, or their website, and you can get the necessary details. DJ,